QSI stock analysis. Next week and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Quantum SI Incorporated's been putting in some crazy numbers and we're 73% up. The way that I'm observing this is I obviously want to take it up. I will now randomly start buying more, so I want to see the price pulling down and giving me a proper double break. Now, before I take things higher, you better know like that this was called out way beforehand on my YouTube channel. That was my idea. So for example, I have a video made on 25th of December, way before this thing actually happened. And this is how it looked like. Right, like we were sitting at 131 at the time, and now we're 371. I was definitely waiting. I wanted to see my double break, but this thing just went and completely just obliterated the chart. Like it just kept going and going. And I'm all about potential continuous bullish movements. So at any point, if I see my rules met and there's like a proper double break, this is a market that I'm still willing to take up as long as the price retraces. It then gives me a proper double break, you know. So that being said, let me know what is your opinion on QSI. I'll still keep an eye and keep you updated. This is just gonna be like a normal thing here that I'll be waiting for. In the meantime, all I'll do, just keep waiting. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.